All right guys, here's another luxury duplex new build. This one is for buy and hold. Once we're done, each side is a 3-2. I'm gonna let Mr. Steve break down the numbers.
Yeah, this was a project that we're partnered up on that we ended up picking up for 450, and then we did a scratch off build where we basically bought an existing structure, ended up clearing it off, and now we're building from the ground up on this particular property for you guys to see. Now, as you can see with the construction, once we get done with this construction, this property is going to be worth $1.5 million all in once everything is said and done. Am I right?
Yeah, as I can tell, guys, listen, we know we still luxury duplex, but you'd have to go on the inside for kind of see what type of luxury we're talking about. Right. I think on each side it's gonna be $4,500 long term on the LTR rental side, not to mention probably if them even do Airbnb and it might be even more. But based on the numbers, what Steve said, they purchased this property for $450, something that we wouldn't do on a regular build. But because this is a new construction, they tore that down, put in an additional $400 on the back end, so I think they might be all in $900, and then after everything is finished, it's worth $1.5. Still a good payday if you ask me, Mamadou, but luxury, we cannot describe the luxury. There's a rooftop pool, two single garage, and just a 3-2 on both sides. What is the square footage on this, Steve?
Yeah, the square footage on this thing, after everything is said and done, it's probably going to be about 4,000 to 4,500 square foot.
Ridiculous.
Right.
Yeah, which was crazy because it was actually even tight to kind of get to fit some of this area. You guys can't see.
You guys gonna have a B-roll. Last time when we came here, there was no windows. And guys, this is the kind of project sometimes we'll offer you to come on the field with us, walk it so you can ask your questions. You can, ask about the funding. How was it funded? How did we find it? How did we even identify the opportunity when we saw a property that is sitting here completely beat up? How did we even know that you can scratch this off and then build a luxury duplex with a rooftop pool, right? So you have to be able to have the eye for it. If not, you can always call the zoning office, and you have to know the right questions to ask, obviously, for them to tell you what is the land zoned for. So don't get caught up on the purchase prices. If you're interested in coming in the field with us here in Georgia, just DM us the word field and we'll add you into the list. Whenever we have those up and coming, you will be the first to know. Boom, boom.
Boom.